helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Back with the FNO show, still holding up for the markets. It's turning out to be a great Friday for equities. Still in conversation with Sandeep Bartle, CK Narayan as well as Monal Desai, and let's chat about individual stock-specific ideas. CK, how about the fresh strategies that you would recommend?
Well, two longs are what I'm looking at. First is in Reliance, where I believe it had tapped down into decent supports and seems to be weathering the news related to this KG basin output, etc. I think trading currently in the region of about 820-25, recommending a buy there with a 10 rupees stop loss from your entry price. Don't want to give it too much room on the downside either, given the state of the and level of the market. And looking for a target till about 840 if it were to fructify into a positive move. Second one would be a long in Sterlite, which again has shown an inclination to break out upward. Currently trading in the region of about 135.36, keeping us, say, about a 4 rupee stop from your entry price, and look for a target zone of about 143, 144.
Any stock that you'd want to short or at least book profits on at the current juncture?
See, booking profit, I think, is a situation which almost the entire market would qualify. On an average, you have stocks which are up by anything ranging from maybe 10 to 50%. I would suggest that if at all one has to look for booking profits, then it is those which has more than double from the market returns. Market returns have been 20%. ADAG Group, for example, they have all returned about 40-odd%. But if you really look at ADG Group from a longer term perspective, they are up some measly 5 to 10 to 15% in terms of what they have lost across 2010-11. So we should not get carried away with the kind of upside move from the bottom, but see it realistically in terms of the overall picture. So I think there seems to be a little bit of excess. Maybe I would trim some amount of exposure over there.